We actually celebrated Founders Day yesterday, the birthday for the company. My father, Joseph L. Sauser, JLS, started the company in 1955. You know, a company our age, you go through a lot of generational changes. Robotics didn't exist in 1955 when we started.
We've been working with robots for over 15 years, starting with gantries of our own design back in the 90s, and then shortly after the year 2000, we joined with ABB.
The flex picker came along, really started focusing on picking systems and the food industry, especially about 10 years ago.
JLS has developed a wide range of end-of-arm tools to handle different applications. There's as many different tools as there are different products. A lot of challenging products that we have to handle, particularly primary packaging for food. We have to have a very efficient system for handling the products at the high speeds of the Delta robots. Our greatest strength on tooling has to be the vacuum on board technology. It's given us increasingly improved performance while at the same time giving very sanitary option to our customers.
We had to get good at food sanitation and high sanitary design. Virtually everything we build is stainless. Almost everything we do is capable of being in a washdown kind of environment. We have different levels of sanitary design, but they're all fundamentally meant to get wet, and usually do.
Recently, we've been increasing our offering on more standardized solutions instead of purely custom solutions.
That has benefit not only to us, but to the customer. It's helped us keep our costs constrained and reduce them in some cases. Probably more importantly, it's allowed us to execute some of the projects more quickly. One of the things that we incorporate is what we call a design for agility philosophy. A lot of equipment is flexible, but that merely means it can be changed over to run a different item. What we do with agility is take it to the next level and make it very quick to change it over, minimal adjustments, and more importantly, once the changes are made, it's held digitally, so the new recipe is run instantly without any dialing it in after the changes have been implemented.
Locally here in New York, we did a project for Wolfgang Candies. It was their first robotic installation, which they decided to pursue because it was the only way to achieve a cost-effective production on a large scale. The system's been very successful and has also been expanded to cover a wide range of products that run at a very low volume. They're able to still leverage the use of the robots in those production orders also. ABB is a good partner for JLS in a lot of ways. They offer a wide range of robotic solutions. Initially, we were using only packaged controllers with the IRB 340 robot. Since then, ABB has developed the IRB 360, which has allowed us to increase throughput, typically 10%. It's allowed increased payloads. They've added panel mount controllers, which allows us to much better integrate the control solution into our cabinets. And they offer global support, which I think is unmatched.
They've come out with a new 8-kilogram flex picker that we're really excited about. We feel we had a real voice in the development of that product. We think, you know, the term partner is overused, certainly, but I think in the case of ABB, they've demonstrated us they have been a partner. They do know what that means. And, you know, for us, it means things aren't always going to go the way you want them to go. And there's going to be a bump in the road, and there's going to be a problem, and it takes teamwork and partnering to truly solve those, and they've done that time and again. We're very excited about the future. We're very bullish on the fact of where the food industry is today and where it's not. We believe primary packaging is single-digit served in the market, so there's a huge upside to what we do. You know, our company is a family-owned business. We're fortunate enough to be able to do business globally, but it's important for us to never lose the roots of people, really having the employees here as a team and really part of a greater family of JLS.